All right. Okay, here we are. It is Sarah Grace's first birthday. It was actually on Thursday. Yes, November the 7th, and today's the 9th. But Daddy was traveling this week, so we were waiting. Okay, who wants to get Sarah Grace her first present? We've already had a couple already open. Okay. Why don't we pick out one of the little ones first? Go with her. Oh, that's right. You want to give her yours? Peter and Ellie wrapped presents for Sarah Grace.
Oh, okay. Sarah Grace, do you want to open this?
Yes, I'll take it.
Let's undo it. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's a balloon. It's lots of different balloons.
Now, open
That's a great present.
Wow,
Say
Peter,
thank
you are
Open
so
my
creative.
Thank you.
Good job. Come here.
Hello.
No.
Okay, Sarah Grace, yours comes. Look, here's.
Peter and Ellie each
Ellie's.
picked out their own presents for Sarah Grace.
Ellie made a present for you too.
It's only small.
Oh, look at that! It's your rattle that you already owned.
Oh.
Silly.
They picked out the presents and they wrapped them all by
Good
themselves
job.
with no help.
Ellie. That's great.
I know.
Grace, what do you think? What do you think? Okay, which one should she open next?
I'll pick.
All right, that one is for Mommy and Daddy.
Let it up, Sarah Grace.
Open it, Sarah Grace.
Of course, it's wrapped in Christmas paper because that's all we have.
Oh wow! Look at this.
Cool.
Say it's
So awesome.
a new little leapfrog table because our old one completely died. Yeah, because it's perfect for little ones when they are learning to stand up.
Okay, let me.
Me next.
Yeah,
Let's do this one.
Hang on, let's get this.
the music table.
Let's do this one next.
Okay, Andrew, you can keep going. You can open that in a second. So that way.
Let's do this one next.
Okay, that one I think is from Gran. I think Mommy wrapped that for Gran.
You want to open it? Pull on that, Sarah Grace. Pull on it.
What? We already have it.
No.
Nah, you just saw it before I wrapped it.
That's right. Look at
Yeah, another little lift the flap book.
Yes,
Okay, you want to open this one?
What's a pepper buster? What's a guster?
Careful.
It is a really cool puzzle. Look at that.
Oh, I think that one is also from Gran.
I don't know. It doesn't have a name on it.
Can you
I
open
think it is.
We'll have to
Pretty
confirm
sure.
with Graham.
Yes, we will confirm with Gran. Okay, now who wants to show the camera what did Miss Victoria give Sarah Grace?
Oh, one
Yes.
more present. One more present.
Wait, hang on, what?
One more present.
Oh, there's another present? Okay, what? Hey, oh, and then can you go get the Miss Brittany's present? Go, so that way we can get that in the video too. We did a Skype call with Brittany on Thursday, Sarah Grace's actual birthday, and we opened her present then. Yes, but she loves it, as does Peter. Oh, go put it by Sarah Grace.
Look, Sarah Grace.
So see if we can get her to give a big hug.
Puzzle. Look at that.